Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a really simple way how you can create a drop-down menu in Shopify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here on online store and go to navigation. When you're going to be in navigation, you want to click on the main menu. In main menu, you're going to see all your pages here. And now you just want to click, let's say that I want to add everything under home. So I would just drag the catalog and I would do this. Then I would take about us and I could add it as a sub menu, or just simply add it like, let's go back. Yeah, this is what is happening sometimes. And I just can't move it, like it's bugged somewhere all the time. And what you want to do is just like simply click here and like this, yes. And again, about us, and under it here, let's click save. And when I'm going to preview the website, look at this. Opa. Home, and I got drop down menu. Now again, I'm going to have it on full here, save. And I got all three here. So you can also like add menu item. And that's pretty much it. And yep, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. I'll provide you some guidance and stuff like that. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.